taught me early. Code is not the enemy. Comfort is. I learned to breathe with the wind, to listen to the silence between heartbeats. That's where truth hides. The wolves didn't set me out of mercy. They saved me because I refused to die. They saw the hunger in me. Men fear winter. Men fear wolves. But I was born of both. And now I return to the code to remember the first law I ever learned. You do not survive the world. You make the world survive you.